Hello, second grade. Okay, so we have been talking about how authors make the ordinary the extraordinary. And today we're going to take it a little bit further and we're going to think, how can we make our own writing extraordinary? So let's review. Series readers become experts on authors' craft. They use authors use words, precise words, to understand the story better. Notice how the author helps you make vivid pictures in your mind. Use the author's punctuation and special print to bring the story to life. Think about the extraordinary language. Ask, what does it really mean? So let's take a look at the bottom of this page from the stories Julian tells. Then he took down a knife and sliced 5 lemons in half. He squeezed the first one. Juice squirted in my eye. So notice that the dad did not just cut or chop the lemons, he sliced them in half. So I can close my eyes and I can see 5 lemons. I can see how he is cutting them because he's slicing them in half. The author also could have written that the lemon juice just went into Julian's eye, but instead he used the word squirted to show exactly how that juice got into Julian's eye. How authors bring a story to life? Well, they use exclamation points, question marks, bold print, dialogue tags, and capital letters. So let's take a look at the first chapter of Pinky and Rex and see how the author brought this story to life. Chapter 1, Pinky and Rex Get Dressed. Wake up, Pinky! Pinky's eyes popped open. His little sister Amanda was jumping up and down on his bed. Wake up, she cried. I am awake, said Pinky. Stop jumping on my bed. We're going to the museum, Amanda shouted. She did not stop jumping. We're going to see the dinosaurs. Hurry up, Pinky, get dressed. So here we see the author use some exclamation points. We see the dialogue tags cried and shouted, and some precise words, popped, jumping. Okay, so we can close our eyes and we can make a movie in our mind. Pinky got out of bed and ran to the window. Rex, he called out. Rex, he called again. Hi, Pinky, Rex called back from a window in the house across the street. I can't decide what to wear to the museum today. Should I wear my Tyrannosaurus t-shirt or my Stegosaurus sweatshirt? Wear your Tyrannosaurus t-shirt, Pinky shouted. It's too hot for a sweatshirt. What do you think I should wear? My shirt with pink and white stripes or my shirt with pink and blue checks? I like the shirt with pink and blue checks, said Rex. It's my favorite. So I just highlighted a few things. Again, we have exclamation points, a dialogue tag, ran, so precise words. But take a look over here how the I is written. It's italicized. It's kind of slanted. So you know that the character is kind of saying that one word in a different way, stressing that one word. What do you think I should wear, right? Mine too, Pinky said. He had never thought that the shirt with pink and blue checks was his favorite, but now that he knew it was Rex's favorite, it was his too. See you later, Pinky shouted. See you later, shouted Rex. What should I wear to the museum today? Amanda asked her brother. Who cares? Said Pinky, and he went to brush his teeth. So again, they italicized the word I to stress it. Okay, and you can kind of, with the dialogue tags and the exclamation points and the question points and the precise words, you could listen to the story with your eyes closed and you can, it's like a movie, you could see it in your mind. So now, let's talk about how we saw authors doing this in our stories, but how can we do it when we write our own stories? So here's a little story. I went to the park. It was a nice day. I was playing with my friends. I got hungry. We both had ice cream. Right? It's kind of boring. I can't really picture it. I mean, what kind of a park did they go to? Park with swings? Did they go to a park with rides? Um, what were they playing? And where did they go for ice cream? Okay, so now I'm going to use um, the little crafts that I learned from the other authors that I've read, and I'm going to make this story better. I went to a water park. The sun was shining so bright that I was covered in sweat. My friend and I sat at the top of the biggest water slide in the park. All of a sudden, swoosh, we went speeding down the curvy tunnels until we made an enormous splash into the pool. Cowabunga! We screamed. Then my stomach began to growl. It's time for a snack, I yelled as I pulled my friend's arm and headed towards the ice cream stand. We sat and shared a triple chocolate ice cream sundae with whipped cream and a cherry on top. Before I knew it, I had ice cream all over my face. Yum. Okay, so let's take a look. I now know it's a water park and it's a nice day. The sun was shining so bright that I was covered in sweat, so it was hot. Okay? I know what the slide looked like. It was fast and then it had curvy tunnels and we made an enormous splash into the pool at the end. Okay, I have some sound words and dialogue. Swoosh. Okay, cowabunga. Here are some of my dialogue tags, screamed and yelled. So today, as you read your book from your series, notice how the author made the ordinary the extraordinary. Then the next step is to now make your writing extraordinary.